To set up a new project from the home screen of the CM30 system, click the scan head you want to use for your project. The number at the end of the name corresponds with a number lit up on the scan head. From there, you'll see 4 options. Create Project Settings starts a new project. To repeat a project, click Load Project Setting. Pre-experiment works like Create Project Setting, but skips setting analysis parameters at the beginning. In both cases, you can set them after taking some images. Use Custom Project Settings for more control over the X, Y, and Z positions for your images. We'll review this option more in a separate video. Let's create a new project. On the left is the wizard that walks through all the steps you need to complete. First, input a project name. Next, choose your cell type. Choose single for cells like fibroblasts that grow as individual cells, or choose colony forming for cells such as iPSCs that grow in colonies. The option you select impacts whether you receive data on cell count or colony count during the project. For access permissions, choose public if you want to share data with other lab members. If you don't want others to access the data, choose private. Administrator accounts can access both public and private projects. Next, choose your vessel type. Many manufacturers and products have templates built into the system. If yours isn't here, add it in the Vessel Template Creator. Note that you can't switch vessel types in the middle of a project. If you change vessels after passaging, you must start a new project. On the screen, indicate what is in your vessel. If you have multiple conditions, you can set them all here. Next, set your analysis parameter. If you've already analyzed your cells, you can add an already created analysis parameter, so you'll start receiving data after the first image. If you haven't analyzed this cell type before, you can skip this step and set it up later. The Monitoring Settings screen determines when cells are imaged. Once per day, you'll receive a whole area stitched image of your entire culture plate. Set a time when no one is working with the cells, usually the middle of the night. Next, set the acquisition delay, which determines how long the software waits to take the first image. Set the interval of how often you want imaging to occur. The Confirm Settings screen reviews your project. When you're ready, click Apply.